Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. Just want to pop on and show you my Temu haul and let you guys know I got some fun projects getting ready to come your way. So I've been looking for some metallic washi tape, just plain old metallic finish. Didn't want any other designs because I have some ideas on what I want to do with this tape. It's got a nice stick to it and a very nice metallic shine. I cannot wait. So I got the silver. This is a Temu haul. Silver, copper, and gold. Beautiful. And that's how thick the roll is, and I'm sure it was like under $1. I'll try to have a link below so you guys can try and find it on Temu. I bought this bracelet simply for the stones. I don't want the bracelet, I want the stones. So I'm going to do something with these, and I don't know if I'm going to make a ring. I don't know. My hands are looking rough because I've been working. I got an event tomorrow and I am churning out some product. So this was a bracelet as well. This is Imperial Jasper, and I decided to make a ring with that. All right. So this bracelet was probably $2, $3, I don't know, but think about how many rings you can make with that, or pairs of earrings. And charge what, $5 per ring? I don't know. You can charge more, but just FYI. Good stuff right there. And I found these. I don't think they are genuine turquoise. I think they may be synthetic. Not sure, but I like the chunky nugget look, and that's what I was looking for. So there's that. And let's see, what else do I have? I found this spray bottle, and I tell you what, guys, I have one that's a lot bigger than this, and I bought this one because I was thinking at my events it gets really hot. It's gonna be 90 degrees tomorrow, and if I have it filled with cold water, I can spray it. It comes out in a mist, and I'm loving this. But the one that I got at an earlier haul was this one. So this one is going to go out to my event with me, and this one's going to stay in the studio. I use this to mist my leather when I get ready to put it through the die cutting machine. And speaking of leather and die cutting, what else I got are some embossing folders for the leather that I am working with, different leather projects that I have been playing around with, and this will give this an embossed imprint, and that's what that looks like. You guys saw an example of the embossed imprint on my trinket tray that I have recently done. I don't have one nearby to grab, but it had keys, and I did it on a keychain as well. So this is an example of what I used to do that. So I've got that as an emboss. So you got an emboss and deboss side. So that's one design. Here's another design that I'll be working with. Love this. This is going to be perfect for some earrings. Isn't that beautiful? I love that design. And another one. Love it, love it, love it. These are all from Temu. Here's another one. That looks like an earring that I already have. Love that. Here's another one that's wood grain. This off of here so y'all can see right through it. I love these embossing folders. I have so many. Look at that. They're so inexpensive on Temu that you just, you can buy them all. Here's another one. I cannot wait to see what they look like on the leather. And here's one. This one's a little bit thicker. It's got the tools impression on it. Look at that. I was going to do something for Father's Day, and I just got this in. So tomorrow is my event, and the very next weekend is Father's Day, but I'd really love to have something for tomorrow, so I don't have to wait till Father's Day. But we'll see what the creative juices do. We've got that's it for the Temu haul. If you have a embossing Sizzix, you should get some of these folders. You can do this on paper. I'm using leather, but beautiful, beautiful designs. And then my washi tape and the bracelet that I'm going to break down, and the beads. This is a bracelet that I already broke down, and my water bottle. So that's my Temu haul. I have another one coming probably next week, and I will show you guys what that haul looks like. But in the meantime, I hope you guys are creating something amazing, and look for some projects to come with these. I've already done a ring with these, and I'm gonna do some more. I think these are gonna be really popular. All right, go be amazing. Bye.